Hey curlies, what's up? Welcome back to Naturally Paige. As you can tell by my lovely hairdo, I am in the middle of wash day and I'm going to be reviewing today the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. The Pure Honey collection is infused with a blend of pure honey, certified natural coconut oil and shea butter. The collection is meant to target dry, dehydrated hair to provide essential moisture, softness and smoothness when your hair needs it without weighing it down. I'll be reviewing everything except for the setting lotion and the shampoo. I have used the shampoo before. I am not a big fan, so I'm not going to be reviewing it today because I no longer use it in my hair. But the rest of the products, I'll be happy to let you guys know what I think. But before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit your notifications button so you get an update every time I post a video. I'm dripping. So when I divide it into two, I always add a little extra conditioner just in right where the part is, just so, to make sure that everything is fully coated. You can use just the hair mask alone. I like to combine the hair mask and the conditioner because I find that the hair mask is so thick. It's moisture rich. Like you literally feel it in your hair. So I like to use that for my roots, but then for my ends, I like to use the regular conditioner because it's just a little easier to spread it because it's not as thick. But I will say that the conditioners from this line are definitely my favorites. I love when a conditioner makes my hair feel moist from I'm applying it, and my hair just feels so moisturized and amazing. Not to mention the smell is, I love it, and it's easy to wash out. Like it, you know how some conditioners get gooky? It don't get gooky. That's one thing that I like about it. So I'm gonna put on a plastic cap and sit under the hooded dryer for about 20 minutes. Okay, so the Not Away leave-in detangler and the leave-in conditioner. Why do you have both? And it don't. So this by itself as a detangler, I don't really like it. Like in terms of using it before I wash my hair, did not work. Not a good idea. And then I said, okay, so leave-in, all right. But then why do you have a leave-in conditioner? Why do you have both? It seems like a waste. Now, don't even get me started on this. All of you companies, stop making these products with these spray nozzle foolishness. What is the purpose? Gonna make this for black people? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. To get this much took 20 squirts. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. What's the yo? Put a regular squirt nozzle on the top. You make these products so hard to get out. It's for black people. This can't even do one section by itself. Don't make any sense at all, and it just makes it frustrating. So you end up taking off the top anyways. Just say it's not. Creme of Nature is not the only company I've seen do this, and I don't understand the logic at all. The fact is that we're not going to use it with 2 squirts. So to have to be doing it 20 times for this much hair, that's ridiculous. In terms of how it feels in my hair, it's not a bad leave-in. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but it's not horrible. It's not something that I say I'd never use it again. No, it's decent. Alright, so that's all of my twists with leave-in. Cream of Nature Pure Honey Collection. I have to say I really love this product. The twisting cream, I know that it's a little pretty right now. I think it's mainly because I use the dryer to dry my hair. My hair tends to do that. Once I'm not air drying, it doesn't dry as well, so that's expected, but the definition is definitely there. My hair is very moist, it's very soft, it's not oily, it's not greasy, which is something I love. I thought this was a cute little hairstyle. Definitely love the conditioners. I love the twisting cream. I'm a little on the leave-ins in terms of the detangle and the regular leave-in, but all in all, this is a great line, and the best part about it is that it's super affordable. I'm talking it retails for about $7 US, and when in Jamaican it's about less than $1,000 for most of the products. I think the most expensive one costs like $1,075, which is ridiculous, right? So this is a great product in terms of for quantity and for quality. I highly recommend that you guys buy this. You can find it at Discount Beauty, you can find it in a regular Chinaman wholesale. I definitely recommend this. It's so affordable, and I'm just so happy that Creme of Nature decided to come up with something like this that is great for really thick hair. That's one thing that I love about it. My hair doesn't feel weighted down. So all in all, thumbs up. Definitely recommend that you guys try out the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Collection. You can find it at Discount Beauty, Lily's Beauty Barns. You can find it at most pharmacies, and of course online. So that's it. If you guys like this video, feel free to just hit that button. See there? Just hit it. My hair looks cute. My hair looks cute. Ooh, close up. I look cute. This is a cute hairdo, man. Things at the top of the night. So nice, fishy. Thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on your notifications so you get a message every single time that I post something. I'm just gonna be here, continuing to be naturally Paige.